Hi there, welcome to today's video. I think we're on day 7 or day 8 of the Hotrod truck model build, and today we are going to be mounting the truck bed to the front of the truck. That way then we can add the steps to the side of it. My neighbour gave me this great piece of metal which I'm going to use for that. It's already got a nice curve over the edge there. It's got a nice line down there. I'm not sure if it's going to get these holes in there as well. It just depends on how much it's going to line up between the two. So that'll be good. Look forward to that, and then we'll see what else we can do. Also, I'm looking for a little bit of advice, so if you can put in the comments, the doors, shall I hinge them? Last time I did that on the Herald, if you've seen that video. If you haven't, please do go check it out. There's too much play in the hinges that I brought, so I'm not sure if I'm going to go down that route, but maybe let me know in the comments, and if you do, also let me know, maybe we go suicide doors or not. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please hit that thumbs up button, and if you haven't already, please do subscribe. Now let's get cracking. So there we go, we've got the front and the back, so now I just need to try and line it up properly and then weld it in. Let's see. So it looks about lined up correctly, but I can't really get in there, so I'm just going to tilt it back to me a bit. There we go. Just going to tack that right in the middle again, so I've got a bit of movement. That's the cab, so now let's look at the steps. I want him to sort of, I don't know, maybe taper into that, because that tapers out here, I'm not sure. I might just make it flush to there and flush to there, but let's have a look. We'll see. I think best to turn upside down for this, I think. Got the flush with it, so I have a very thin line across there. I think it just look a bit weird. So I actually want it to part way through that drive, so let's cut that off. All that. Now then, give myself some play with it for now, so let's go to about there. Roughly need the same as that line, so if I cut that off there we should be right. We also need a little bit more because of the truck bed there as well, it's just a bit far out. Go. Not bad. Not bad. Don't know if you can see that on there, but it's actually lined up quite nicely. Not too bad, a little bit of a gap there, but still not too bad. Cut it along this line here, I think. I just realised there that if I cut all the way along there, between the bed, you're going to see a hole. So I'm glad I see that before I cut that. If I make that flush through there, it's going to go up a bit, and I don't like that there. So I am, as I thought, going to have to add a little bit to the front of the front arch there, sort of back of the front arch there, I should say. But hey, not like I wasn't expecting it, so let's go and do that. Just cut a thin strip. Just weld that bit on there. Actually quite right. It's a bit of gentle persuasion. Use pliers. Quite right. Off. So now he's on there, I need to work out quite where he's going to go. Cut that bit off first, okay? I think that's actually about right. To mount it, it's just quite thin, so I'm not quite sure how well this is going to go. Turn down a bit. Gas on. pretty happy with that. I think I might put the wheels on, because until then it's kind of doing my head in a bit. Sloping, it's a job to tell, so let's get them on. Yeah, I think that actually really looks quite good in there, along there, with putting the door in there like that as well. Really makes it. I'm pretty happy with that.